Today, I'm going to share my review of Famous AI, a platform that's quickly becoming popular for building applications with minimal code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tool promises to save you time and help you bring your ideas to life faster. So, let's start with the pros. One of the biggest highlights is ease of use. Users describe the platform as very intuitive, especially when you follow the provided playbook and prompts. Even if you have no prior coding experience, you can create functional apps ranging from simple utilities to more complex systems like e-commerce stores or even NFT marketplaces. Another strength is speed and efficiency. Developers report that Famous AI helps them cut down on build time significantly, letting them move from idea to execution in record time. This makes it a fantastic tool for those who want to test ideas quickly or accelerate workflows. Support is also a big plus. Famous AI offers tutorials, in-product guidance, webinars, and coaching. Many reviewers call this guidance actionable, with workflows and ready-to-use prompts that make the process smoother. And with a free plan available, the platform is accessible to anyone who wants to try it out without risk. Now for the cons. Some users expected more handholding during the process and felt the platform could be clearer at times. Also, the direct style of tutorials and support may not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer a softer approach. Overall, Famous AI is a highly regarded AI-powered app builder. It's best for people who want to quickly build and launch apps without needing deep coding knowledge, while still having access to powerful tools and support. Thank you for watching.